Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are learn ABCD. Let's get start. So today we are using blue pen. A for aeroplane. B for boat. C for car. D for door. E for egg. F for frog. G for ginger. H for house. I for ink. J for jellyfish. K for kite. L for lime. M for mango. N for nose. O for orange. P for piano. Q for quilt. R for ring. S for star. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for vanilla. W for water. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. And at last we are making a cutie smiley for happy kids. So kids, today we learned A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like my video. See you in next video. Bye.